Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. If you're new to ArcGIS Pro, I want to talk about the simple, most important thing you need to do every time you start a project. It's a simple step, yeah, that can save you from one of the biggest frustrations in GIS, which is losing your data. I promise you, you don't actually want to experience that. I'm talking about setting up your project folder, or what ArcGIS Pro call the home folder. Some people call it default folder. It all depends on the narrative, but it's still the same point we're getting to. So I'm going to show you how to do it right from the start. When you first open your ArcGIS Pro, you'll see this screen that I have on my screen. To start with, we click on Map under the new project. Now, this new window is the most important step that you actually have to observe carefully. It's not about just saving it as default, because most times you may actually want to quickly send the file to someone, or maybe you're working as a team to easily share this project with people. It's best you actually define this work from the beginning. So let's put, for example, I want to create a Lagos Park map. So once I've selected that, the next thing we look at is the location, which is the parent folder where your project will be live. By default, it might go to a deeper root folder that you may not be able to easily access, but when you've created your own folder, you're able to easily know where it is at a click of a finger. So if I want to change this, I'll just come here, browse. It's also best you have a dedicated folder for your GIS analysis. I have mine, yeah, my GIS data. So even me, I have one for working folder. I have my files, finished result. So I'll select my working folder. Once I click on OK. Now, here is a magic checkbox you will see. It's on by default. Create a folder for this local project. You should almost always leave this checked. What this does is it creates a brand new self-contained folder named Lagos Park Map, as we have inside our location that we just created. This new folder is your home folder. It will hold all your map files, your databases, your toolbox, basically everything to actually make you stay organized. So once you've set up your name for your location, you simply confirm the box, click OK. Now that your project is open, let's quickly do one quick thing so you actually see the benefits of having it saved where you saved it. So for example, I bring in a data. Let's quickly do one thing. Sorry, let's be PC. Yeah. So for example, I bring in this data. Just a quick one. Did I come in? Oh no, it didn't come in. Okay, so for example, I bring in this data and I want to export the data. So unlike before, where it would give me a default folder, I would have my exports. If you notice, the exact folder I created for it. So that way my work is actually saved properly and it's more organized. It's that simple. By taking this very short 10 seconds at the beginning of your project to set the name and location correctly, you create an organized home folder that prevents you from ever losing your work. It's the best habit you can actually build as a GIS user. And how do you actually do this? As I said earlier, by default, once you start creating project, you should have a default working folder on your Windows Explorer, best saved in your C drive, being that in case whatever happens to your PC, you can easily be able to access your C drive to transfer that. So, our question for the video: how do you organize your GIS files? Do you have a special system? Share your tips with us on the comment below. And as always, if this quick tip was helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more essential GIS skills. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy mapping.